Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be working with the long I words. So, in order to get our sound going, I'm going to have us look at this picture. Okay? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be reading these 3 bullet points down here on my teacher manual. So, first, I want you to look at this picture. One of the boys in this picture is in a field. Okay? A field. So, let's stretch out all of the sounds in field. E-L-D, field. The vowel sound is E, like in the letter E. It's a long vowel sound. Okay? Now let's look again. I see that a grandma is eating a piece of pie. So you can see her right here. The grandma is eating a piece of pie. I want us to listen for all the parts in piece and in pie. So first, let's finger stretch piece. P-E-S, piece. The vowel sound is E, like the letter E, which means it's a long vowel sound. Now, let's do the same thing for pie. So why don't you finger stretch pie? How many sounds are in pie? 2. P-I, pie. The first sound is P, and the second sound is I, like the letter I, which means it's a long vowel sound. Okay? Now, find something that rhymes with tight. With tight. What here rhymes with tight? Look at what she's watching. What is the setting? Is it morning or is it night? Tight and night rhyme. They both say I. So today we're going to be listening for the IE and the IGH spelling. Both of these say I. And we're also going to learn that IE also might say E, like the letter E. Today we are learning to read and spell words with the letters IE and IGH that make the long I sound. I am successful when I can blend the words with IE and IGH parts to read the whole word. Let's review some of those sounds and spellings that we already know. We know that I, magic E, says I. So this word is I, k, like. The second word is also I, magic E. So k, I, t, kite. Both of these are long vowel spellings. So now let's look at this vowel combination IE and IGH. So if I look over here at the pie, the letters IE stand for the long I, like in pie, and that's how you spell pie, P-I-E, pie. However, IE can also say E like the letter E, like in field. So if I look at the IE here, it's field, field. IGH has some silent letters. The G and the H, they don't really say anything, so we're only going to focus on the I. So this word would be like a light. I, and I take that whole chunk, IGH, and I just say I, and then t, light. So now let's look at the IE when the IE says I. So I, lie. Tie. Lie. I think I already said that. Okay, now look at the very top. The IE here is going to say E like the letter E. So flip the vowel to the other sound that this vowel combination says, okay? So now you're going to say E. Field. Field. Like the horse was in the field. CH says, IE says E. Chief. Sound? E, and then this C is soft, so it's going to say S because after it is an E. So N, E, S, niece. Remember, the IGH is going to say I like the letter I. So every single time you see the IGH, just forget about the G and the H. Just know that you spell it with G and H, but you are going to say I. So 2 sounds, full, I, t, flight. Light. Bright. Sight. sigh, tight, might. What do you know about the spellings IE and IGH? What sounds do they make? What do you know about IE? What two sounds does IE make? All right, guys, you're doing a great job. I miss you bunches, and we will see you guys pretty soon. Bye.